Good evening, camp peers and web staff. My name is Nicole Garcia. I'm from Houston, Texas, and I currently go to Cypress-Woods High School. For my Rube Goldberg challenge, I decided to implement the theme of childhood toys with the theme of extra cleaning because of COVID. So I think the name of my contraption would be something like spring cleaning during COVID-19. For my design, I started by brainstorming many different possibilities of the different uses from the toys I had from childhood. At the same time, getting a little bit of nostalgia. Once I had written down my materials and ideas, I decided to draw a plan of the different parts of my contraption, or the puzzle pieces as I call them, and how I wanted them to fit together. Finally, I was able to test out each part as I built the different levers and ramps on a table which was inclined forward, where I wanted the sponges, the objects I wanted to receive, to fall. And only then could my spring cleaning begin. In the end, my contraption passed the sponges 7 feet from where the contraption had begun, and I was able to begin my spring cleaning. 3, 2, 1.